Okay, this is the demonstration for the Thermo Matrix app. This is the actual system that is installed in residential and commercial buildings for their heating, to control their heating and cooling. So that's the system commander right there. So that's the hardware. The hardware is controlled by a UI interface, but it can also be controlled via a web app from the wireless network from this router that is installed with every installation. So this cannot be accessed online, but it can be from the wireless network locally. So if we do on our computer and go select the IntelliNet wireless network, now we are connected to here, and now we can access here. We can access this by logging in with Delta as a user, and the password is login. L-O-G-I-N. So that logs us into the system. So we can do the same thing. Actually, let me just show you. Go to settings, network setup, and it gives us the IP address for the hardware. So 192.168.2.101. So if we do this, now we've already hooked onto the IntelliNet wireless network. We go and enter our IP address. 2.101, and then username Delta, password is login. Sure, we'll save that. And there we go. There's the System Commander interface. We can go and do whatever we did on the UI, we can do from our browser. So we can access different. Now we can also do this from obviously the mobile phone from Safari browser. And now I'm just going to set this up. Okay, if we get this in focus, we go to Safari, where's my Safari? And, sorry. If we go to the IntelliNet wireless settings, alright, if we go to the IntelliNet wireless settings, IntelliNet, to Safari, So 1, 2, 101, go. Delta for the username, login the password, and I'm in. So I can do everything from the phone. Can access everything from the web app. So the purpose of the Thermo Matrix app is to do the same thing but without having to log in each time, because with the web app you have to log in each and every time. So I want to make sure that I'm on the Intelenet wireless server, so I'm not connected to the internet, I'm connected to Intelenet, which is the wireless router there that comes with the system. So I'm on Intelenet, I go to my Thermo Matrix app, it's right there. And now I go to my settings, 192.168.101, that's the IP address, username Delta, password is login, save the settings, go login, and it automatically logs me in, and now I can use the web app just like I could on Safari. The other pages here are for information about Thermo Matrix, about what they do, what some of the information is, their contact information, and then the instructions. So some clear instructions about what I just said there about connecting to the Intelenet network. So very basic, tap the home button, and very simple instructions of how to change the network settings and then connect to the system commander system. And then to connect back to the regular network, which is for your internet, you'd have to do steps 1 to 3 and then select the appropriate Wi-Fi internet network. And that's it. So you can see from this that the application works. If we get out of it, we just start it again. We just log in. Don't have to set anything up, and it just automatically logs us in. Don't have to reset the settings. You can go in and change temperatures, change different aspects, just like we could on the system. Thank you very much, and I hope we have a quick approval.